I'm gonna
I
think about
gotta
it for a
tell you
minute, but that
something I
project is
could
now almost
do.
done.
I could be running around chasing you, but I won't.
Okay, if I seem a little stressed in this video, it is because I am a little stressed in this video. We open in less than a week. My weekend monthly pop-up market opens this Saturday. Today is Tuesday, and we have a ton of stuff we need to do. Some items and some products that I will be selling are made, some are not made, some are almost done. We kind of have like a running list going on of things that we need to complete, and I have today to do it. Okay, so we're going to see exactly how much I can get done. I'm super hopeful that we get my entire list done, and we'll go through that right now. All right, it is 9:13 a.m. and I need to leave by 2 o'clock at the absolute latest because I need to go to the market and put together my last two shelves and start like doing things, right? So somehow I ended up with two lists. I have a paper list and then I have like a list in Notion. So I'm not entirely sure how I ended up with two lists, but it's not a great way to start. Lists are similar, which is good. But we need to like start doing things.
Posting every day, making sure she's in every frame. Who you're trying to impress? Uh, Telling everyone, including my friends, that she's the one. Making sure I get the message. You always find a good excuse to show her off, but I've never been more over you, so you can't stop. Honestly, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care that she's cool, funny, too pretty hair. It almost seems to me you want jealousy, but please, there's no need. I don't care. Couldn't care less, I swear. I'm in paradise, do my thing, not thinking twice. Guess it hurts for you to see that. But I never knew how much trouble you'd go through to make sure I wouldn't believe that. You always find a good excuse to show her off, but I've never been more over you, so you can't stop. Honestly, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care that she's cool, funny, too pretty hair. It almost seems to me you want jealousy, but please, there's no need. I don't care. Couldn't care less, I swear. Couldn't care less, I swear. I really don't wish you would get it and move on instead of stringing her along. Yeah, 'cause she's the one, yeah, she's the one who's gonna care about what you've done. I really don't. Honestly, I don't care. I don't care. I don't
Okay, the lotion and soap duos are done. I am a little bit sad because I think they would have looked nicer had it worked out like with my original plan, but that's okay. I'll try and figure something out for next time, assuming they do well. So we have eucalyptus mint, citrus de Sicilia, sorry, and nectarine balloons. You see what I'm saying? I think there's just a little bit too much white. I think it would have looked nicer maybe if I had colored the lotion, but I don't like to color the lotion. One more task down. My wax is ready to be poured. How are we doing on time? It's 12:23 and I want to leave about 2 o'clock. ish. I'll say I want to leave by 2. So I think that will be enough time to pour the candles and then kind of straighten up a little bit. I do still have a little bit of lotion left. It's probably, just looking at it, it's probably like 8 or so ounces. So I don't know what fragrance I'm going to do with that. My wrist hurts. Like piping lotion, if I have to pipe lotions and sugar scrubs, my wrist really hurts. I'm not doing sugar scrubs. I should probably, but I don't think I'm going to get to it. That's okay. Um, but yeah, man, my wrist is bothering me here lately. Okay, I'm gonna move a couple of things around. I'm gonna take a few pictures of the duos so I have them to post on our social medias later this week or later today and later this week. And then I'll pack them up. I forgot about ribbon. Because it'll be a duo. I want to like ribbon them together. And I forgot about that until right now. So let me see. I have a little bit. This might need to be, that might be what we have. So we'll see how, shoot, I figured that out and I have to label them with pricing too. So let me just stop acting like I have time to take a break and get moving.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't know me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't have.
Okay, I ended up making a little concoction for the Ocean City candle. 1 ounce of fragrance to use sea minerals. Then I did a splash of Simbi's Turquoise Bay. Then I would say a 1/2 ounce of Candle Sciences Fresh Cut Grass. And there was one more. What was the last one? And a hint of Candle Sciences High Tide. So I think that that's going to smell absolutely perfect. Now, when I was setting up at the shop earlier, I put the duos on the shelf and they looked absolutely adorable. But I have room for 4 different sets and I only made the 3. So I am going to quickly go back and make a 4th one. I think that that will really just kind of set the shelf up and it will look really nice. I can't figure out the dryer balls. I tried again, and after like I just told you I was going to try again, and it just, I need to give up on that for now and figure out something else. So I don't know what I'm going to use those little boxes for. Maybe I can find something really quick. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm going to kind of look around and see what I can figure out for that. And then I have a little bit of each of the lotions left. And I'm going to put those in sample pots and have them like available for people as samples. So let me kind of move some things around and see what I can figure out.
Posting every day, making sure she's in every frame. Who you're trying to impress? Telling everyone, including my friends, that she's the one. Making sure I get the message. You always find a good excuse to show her off. But I've never been more over you, so you can't stop. Honestly, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care that she's cool, funny too, pretty hair. It almost seems to me
We have hit Thursday afternoon. Just a mere 2 days away from the pop-up. I have been busting my back getting all of these little tiny projects done, and we're doing well. We're going along quite nicely. So, a project that I did finish were these solid dish soap dishes. They turned out really cute. I'm excited about it. So it has the dish with the pouring spout, the soap inside, and it's going to come with this little dish brush like this. And then I had these old cellophane bags from, I honestly don't even know what past the projects they were from. Yes. Get my bag here. That looks adorable. But also, I think the little ribbon here would be cute too. I'm going to think about it for a minute, but that project is now almost done. I just need the labels for it. And then, very excitingly, I was able to figure out the dryer lint ball situation. I don't have them in the boxes yet because they are drying on the counter, but I think that I figured out what the problem was. And I'm hopeful that I can now use them and have them ready to go. That would be a huge boost because I have some extra shelf space since I bought the 2 extra shelves. And I want to put these on there. I don't know. Let's keep moving. Oh, side note, and look, one of my students, a fourth grader, gave me these like adorable little bracelets. They're so cute, and I'm really excited to wear them. Yeah, okay, let's keep moving, and I will check back in with you guys in a bit.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't know me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
Today is Sunday, and the market was open yesterday. If you've been following along all month, earlier I have posted a two-part video or two-part series, I don't know what's called, of me planning, preparing, and following through and opening for my first ever candle pouring workshop inside of the market. It was a huge success. I'm not going to cover it too much here because I did talk about it in part 2 of that video, so you can go and check it out if you haven't seen it yet. I don't really want to repeat anything, but everything ended up working out wonderfully. All of the little projects, I worked really hard right there at the end, literally up until the last minute, and I was able to pull off what I thought was a great market. Is there room for improvement? Obviously, yes. So let's kind of dive into it during this reflection here, and I'll walk you through my thoughts and where we'll be going for next month because we only have a couple weeks left to plan for that. Okay, so I know first and foremost, what is everyone going to ask me? They're going to ask for the financials. And I've talked about this before. I'm not going to give an exact dollar amount, but what I will say is I made a little bit more than half of what I made at the last market. Honestly, it is kind of what I expected. Anyone can have a really great and profitable grand opening, but it's what happens in months 2 and 3 that I personally feel prove and show your your positives, your pitfalls, what you need to work on, like that kind of scenario, because everyone will come and support you once, but it's the people that show up time and time again, or it's the people that come through for you in that second or third month that I think really kind of lay it out there. Was the market a success? Absolutely. We had a really great time. Shopping was definitely slower, but what I noticed was the customers that came through that were not already a part, like not already there for the candle pouring workshop, the people who just came to shop had a really high cart value, which was wonderful to see. I absolutely love that. We had some people that had told me they were going to come. There were some people that I had no idea were showing up, or I had no idea that they even knew I existed, but they showed up anyway, which was really, really awesome. Some people said they were going to come and then didn't make it, and that's okay too. And as you start and grow a business, you'll find that some people that you thought would support you don't, and some people will surprise you in such a great way. So I definitely think that is true. My best sellers this month were, let me see here. I should have had it pulled up. I didn't think about it. My bar soap. I had a feeling that this would be true because oatmeal and honey has been out of stock. It's my best selling soap, or one of my best selling soaps, but at this point, it is the best selling soap. It's been out of stock for a while, and I told several people that I was making it. And one of the people that I told typically buys 5 or 6 bars at a time, and she definitely didn't disappoint yesterday. She actually bought 6 of them. So we sold tons of bar soap, which is wonderful. The next was necklaces, the pressed flower necklaces that are made by the art teacher at my school. That was great. It honestly, it just was such a great time. I'm trying to see, is there anything else? So let's talk about the big elephant in the room, the product I could not figure out. And I'm not talking about the hair and body mist. I have a whole separate video that I posted that you can watch about that whole debacle and how it ended up turning out. But the other product I could not figure out for the life of me were the dryer balls. I only sold one set yesterday, and then the other products that I was really hoping that I would sell a lot of that I didn't were my solid dish soap sets. Absolutely adorable. I did sell one, but I was kind of thinking that those would go a lot faster, but it's not always a bad thing. Now what I can do for next month, because I sold stuff, but I didn't sell everything, right? Next month, I can focus on developing new things because I already have stock from last month's sale. So that's what we're going to do. All right, with all of that said, we need to close out today's video. If you haven't subscribed already, I would love to have you as a part of the community. Let me know down below what parts of the month you are looking forward to the most. Do you like seeing me make products or reflecting about it afterward? Do you like seeing me in the market or here at my home studio? Let's chat about it down below. I'd love to connect. See you later. Bye.